Introducing Unity Mobile Salesforce Edition, allowing you to integrate your Salesforce platform with Unity Mobile to combine the functionality of your cloud UC system with your CRM on the mobile device. Use the Contacts tab to search through all your Salesforce contacts and leads, add them to your favorites, and view key contact information. If the email and mobile number fields are populated, then users can click the icons to send messages to the contacts using their device's native apps. Identify an incoming call as a Salesforce contact or lead and perform all essential actions during the call, including transferring, conferencing, and controlling the call recording options. Swipe left during a call and tap to show the CRM contact in Salesforce. You can also add a manual call log entry that is saved against the contact. Unity Mobile displays the CRM icon next to all contacts and leads, ensuring that users can easily identify missed calls and voicemails from Salesforce contacts. Automatically journal all calls, unify all your contacts and leads using Unity Search, and perform all essential call actions with Unity Mobile's new Salesforce Edition. For more information, contact us today.